English Kazakh power verb, can equals.
қолынан келу.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your turbo boost for learning. For more tips and free resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Hey you, ready to unlock the power of can in Kazakh? Buckle up, your confidence is about to say, I can. Your goal today. In the next few minutes, you'll master can in English and Kazakh with humor, speed, and clear patterns. Your mission, understand can equals.
қолынан келу.
Idiomatic, to be able to, and the do form.
істей алу.
By the end, you'll confidently say, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can. Quick forms, can equals.
қолынан келу.
Repeat after me, short and sweet. I'll say English, you echo the Kazakh. Can.
қолынан келу.
Also, to be able to do, equals.
істей алу.
I can.
Мен істей аламын.
You can, singular.
Сен жасай аласың.
He can.
Ол істей алады.
She can.
Ол істей алады.
It can.
істей алады.
We can.
Біз істей аламыз.
You, plural, can.
Сендер істей аласыңдар.
They can.
Олар істей алады.
Mini dialogue. The can do crew. Let's act it out, friendly, fast, and a little funny. You're in the scene. A. Nervous? Breathe. You can do this. In Kazakh.
Сен жасай аласың.
A. Thanks. I can try now.
Мен істей аламын.
A. He can fix the laptop.
Ол істей алады.
B. She can help too.
Ол істей алады.
A. The program? It can run on this old machine.
істей алады.
B. Great, we can finish today.
Біз істей аламыз.
Coach, team, you, plural, can win.
Сендер істей аласыңдар.
Crowd, they can do it.
Олар істей алады.
Turbo drills. Say it, nail it. I say English, you shout Kazakh. Then I confirm. Keep it punchy. I can swim.
Мен істей аламын.
You can enter.
Сен жасай аласың.
He can do this.
Ол істей алады.
She can help.
Ол істей алады.
It can work.
істей алады.
We can try tomorrow.
Біз істей аламыз.
You, plural, can finish this.
Сендер істей аласыңдар.
They can help us.
Олар істей алады.
Culture tip. Hands make it happen. A cool Kazakh idiom for ability is literally, it comes from the hand. Remember, can equals.
қолынан келу.
Picture your hand glowing before a task, boom, confidence. If you prefer a do-based pattern, use
істей алу.
with the right ending. Quiz time. Quick check, answer out loud. I'll reveal after a beat. Q1. How do you say, I can? A.
Мен істей аламын.
Q2. Translate, you can, singular. A.
Сен жасай аласың.
Q3. What's the idiom for the base idea, can? A.
Қолынан келу.
Q4. Say, we can. A.
Біз істей аламыз.
Q5. Give, you, plural, can. A.
Сендер істей аласыңдар.
Q6. Say, they can. A.
Олар істей алады.
Challenge and wrap up. Time to flex your new superpower. Challenge. Record yourself saying all forms, in order. Can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can, then give the Kazakh after each. Pro tip. When you feel doubt, tap your palm and say,
Қолынан келу.
you've got this. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and when you're ready for more English Kazakh boosts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Learn smarter, smile more.